taking a video of the dog taking a shit.
Luga, ready to go on a hike? We're heading off. We made it from the campsite. So now we're almost at the trailhead parking area. Now we're actually on the trail. We're chugging along. Someone left some snacks. Some emergency snacks on the road. How nice of them. Alright, Luga. We tied up again. You just barely see the second waterfall. Right in there. We climbed all this way. North Fork of Big Pine. We've just passed 1,000 feet of elevation climb. It's been roughly an hour of walking as well, and around 2 miles. How nice! How nice, Luga! Someone left. Excuse me, man. Someone left their sock. I need a sock. You need a sock? No? Okay. You can barely see the trail. It's where we came from, all the way over there and behind that hill. And then there's a waterfall right under here. You can kind of hear it. I think we're almost there. There's the waterfall. Looks refreshing. And dangerous. Let's keep going. It's thirsty. Water break. I'm gonna try and see if Luga wants to get in the water here or drink some water. That would be a yes. Wants to drink some. Go test it out. How is it? Is it good over there? Seems like she likes it. See if I can get a hat full. Oh, she does not like it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, we're rolling in dirt. We just took that little quick dip. It's about 90 minutes in, 1,500 feet elevation gain, and 3 miles just now, and I'm keeping around a 130 heart rate, it looks like, and Luga's heart rate is around like probably 170, 180. I have no idea, but she's cooled off a bit. Not sure how she feels about that, but cooled off. And we passed the second waterfall, and now we're just going because we're intrigued and we want to see how far we can go. Probably have to turn around in 10-20 minutes and start heading back for lunch. And yeah, there's the creek. Big rock in the road. Whoa. Hi. Hello. Good, how are you? Well, now we know why there was so much horse poop on the trail. Fresh ones too. Surprised this one didn't try to bark. Guess she's too tired. Got a stream to cross. The tiniest little stream. You ready? Luga, come on. Ready? You have to run. Run. Come on. Come on. This is teamwork. This takes teamwork. Ready, set, go. Oh no. Starting to get wet and we're late to turn around. We should have turned around already. And it's all wet. Looks like we're probably just gonna turn around here. Should get back for lunch. We should have turned around, but we just gotta know what's around this corner. Yep. Looks like it just keeps going. Well, obviously it just keeps going. We did not leave early enough to make it to the lake. Now we actually have to turn around. We're way past the time we should have turned around, and we just hit 4 miles, 1,800 feet, 1,880 feet elevation gain. Almost at 2 hours, and yeah, we're gonna be late for lunch, but had to try and see. But now we're heading down the hill. Took us 2 hours to get up. If I make it back in 40 minutes, I'll be on time. Really? You're itching? You're really itching? I'm gonna throw you in the water. I'm gonna throw you in the water. Yeah, get there. Go. She says she's ready. She's ready to go back. She's jogging us back. Oh. Something good over here? Is there something good over here? Can we go? You get lunch too, right? Back to steady jogging. Can't fall now. Don't pull me down. Working as a team here. This is where we should have turned around 30 minutes ago, but we didn't. We're making decent time. It's 12:52 and we just hit 6 miles. So around 2 more miles to go to get back. And that was about 30 minutes for those 2 miles. So yeah, won't be too late. Definitely getting a little tired. Took a little water break and now we're back to jogging. Luga's back in the lead. We got about 1.3 miles left back to camp. Cruising. That's where the horses come from. Fortunately, this one can't carry me. Not a full horse. Final stretch. Final stretch, we're almost there. Here's the group site. And there's the campground. And there's Luga. We made it back. Gonna go lie down for a while. Luga might lie down for the rest of the day. We'll see. This is our campsite. And this is the golf cart. Ding, ding, ding. Whoa, look at this camp manager. Excuse me, sir. Do we have any open sites at this campground? Go ahead.
I gotta fill out the new registration for the next people. This is the nice spot on the river. I have to open the bear box now. That's the other place people leave trash that I have to check. Luga, you're in the way. Oh, is there any snacks? No snacks. No snacks.
Are there any snacks, Luga? Any treats for Lou? Maybe under? Maybe it's underneath.
Oh, wow. You guys want to ride?
Can we get a ride?
Look at you, have to get away from my pedals.
We're back, Luga. Come on.
Just a short
Whoa.
ride.
Wrong way.